Good morning, students. Welcome again. In the previous class, we have read about the advertisements, and we have read that there are two types of advertisements: classifieds and commercial one, which we also call as displayed one. Okay, these are the two types of advertisements. So let us study about various types of classified advertisements with the help of example, so that the concept will be more clear. So important classified advertisements are situation vacant, situation wanted, sale and purchase, to let, educational institutions, lost and found, travel and tours, and matrimonial. So all these are the types of classified advertisements. In the previous class we have read about two types of classified advertisements, that is situation vacant and situation wanted. Today we will be reading about the third type of classified advertisement, that is sale and purchase. So that essential details for sale and purchase is it begins with for sale or purchase or available or wanted, whatever the situation is. So mention the type of accommodation, vehicle, household items. Means the advertisement for sale and purchase is meant for the property for sale or purchase, vehicle for sale or purchase, and household item for sale and purchase. So we have to give a brief description of the item, whatever we want to purchase or whatever we want to sell, and we have to end with contact address and telephone number. Okay, so let us start with the example. Let us see the first type of advertisement for sale and purchase, that is property. The specific details will be specify size, floor, number of rooms, etc. Then mention fixtures and fittings in the property. Then give the location and surroundings, and in the end you just mention the price expected. Let us see one example so that the advertisement for property for sale or purchase will be more clear to you. The question for the example is, you want to sell your flat in Ashok Vihar. Write out an advertisement giving necessary details in about 50 words. So the heading will be for sale, Ashok Vihar, TDA flat, first floor, 2 bedrooms, then drawing room or dining room with full interiors, car parking available, north, park facing, located area, main market, reasonable price, contact ML Goyal, then phone number is given there. Okay, so in this manner all the specific details are mentioned, and here this advertisement is for the sale of a property. Let us see the next example of vehicle for sale. Okay, so what will be the specific details for vehicle for sale? The state model. First of all, you have to mention the model, the year of manufacturing, then specify the condition, then mileage done, then give color, accessories, etc., then price expected and offered. Okay, so these are the specifications. Then let us see the example to make it more clear. You want to sell your Maruti car. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in the for sale column of the Times of India. Okay, so this advertisement is also for sale of motorcycle. Okay, let us see. For sale will be the heading of the advertisement, which will be written in the capital letters. Then available Maruti 800 DX 2000 model in the excellent working condition, white, scratchless, self-driven, sparingly used, average 50 km in a liter, and all accessories intact. Expected price not below 1,40,000. Then contact Malhotra, and then phone number is given. So this is the example for sale of a vehicle. Okay. Now let us see the third type of sale and purchase advertisement, that is household goods. So specific details will be mention brand, model, year of manufacturing, then specify material in case of furniture. Then give the present condition and quote price offered and expected. Okay, means in which price you are ready to sell or in which price you want to purchase. So these two are the situations in the sale and purchase advertisement for household goods. So let us see the example. You have transferred to another city. You want to sell certain household goods. Draft a suitable advertisement to be inserted in the newspaper. So let us see the advertisement that you will place for the above mentioned situation. So for sale will be the heading. For immediate sale, white LG washing machine model PX7 purchased in 2000 year. Then Onida CTV 25 1999. Sofa set for 7. Oval shaped dining table with 8 chairs, all in excellent condition. Owner transferred. Contact Vikash, then contact number. Okay, so this is the third type of sale and purchase advertisement. Okay, now let us see another type of classified advertisements, that is to let. So essential details will be begin with wanted or available. So this will be the heading for the advertisement. Then type of accommodation, then brief description, rent expected, then contact address and phone number. So these all are the essential details that we need to mention in to let advertisement. Now to make it more clear, let us see one example. So the question is, you want to let out a flat. Prepare an advertisement to this effect for publication in a newspaper, giving location of the building, nature of accommodation, rent expected, etc. So in the advertisement that you will publish in the newspaper, the heading will be to let. Then you will write available on rent Sushant Lok, Ensals, MIG Lads, second floor, 2 BHK, lobby, balcony, fully furnished, well ventilated, walking distance from main market and taxi stand. Rent expected is 10,000 and that is fixed, it is not negotiable. Then company lease preferred, this is the preference of the person who want to let his property. Then contact Akash 2854 Keshapuram, then we will give mobile number so that whosoever is interested can contact us. Okay, so now let us see some more type of classified advertisements, that is the educational institutes, means the advertisements that educational institutes used to get published in the newspaper. So essential details will be give the name of the institution, its past record, then mention the courses offered, duration, list of facilities available and fee structure, specify the eligibility condition, then quote the last date of registration or application, then end with contact number and phone number as usual. Then let us see the example of educational institutes classified advertisement. You are the director of coaching academy. Write an advertisement for publication in newspaper for admission to the various courses being provided in your institutes. So the heading of the advertisement will be educational. Apex Business Management Institute offers 1-year diploma courses in computer programming and business management. Eligibility: senior secondary, batches of 20, subdivided into 4 groups for practical training and or field work. Excellent faculty. Fee rupees 2,500 payable quarterly. Means 2,500 is the fees for quarterly. Last date for submitting an application is 25th June. Contact Director AMBI or phone number we will be providing. So this is the classified advertisement for the educational institution. Now let us see another type of classified example so that we will come to know that what are the various other sort of classified advertisements. That is the sixth type of classified advertisement, that is lost and found. So essential details will be, the heading will be lost or found, then specify item which has been lost or which is found, then brief physical description, then when and where it is lost or it is found, then reward in if any, and then contact and address. Let us see the example of it. You have lost your purse. Draft an advertisement suitable to given in the local daily. Invent details. Your advertisement should not exceed 50 words. So heading will be lost and found. Lost black leather purse in DTC bus route number 225 while traveling between Lucknow Road and Red Fort. Besides cash, it contains some very important bills and receipts. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Please contact Aryan B25 Rohini, New Delhi, and in the end obviously we will be giving our mobile number. So this is the advertisement for lost and found. Now let us see seventh type of classified advertisement, that is travels and tour. So essential details for it will be, the heading will be package available, or something else can also be there. Then name of travel agency, destination and duration, details of package, food, boarding, lodging, sightseeing, etc. means what are the other facilities that these travels will provide to the travelers. Then cost and discount if any, then contact address and phone number we will be providing. Let us see one example of it. Let us see the example. Sita Travels KD12 Pitampura New Delhi offers package tour for 3 nights or 4 days in Mauritius for rupees 10,000 per person. Draft an advertisement for publication in the National Daily in about 50 words. Give necessary details. So the heading for such an advertisement will be travels and tour. Then we will write attractive package available for Mauritius, 3 nights / 4 days, breakfast and dinner, stay at 3-star hotel, sightseeing included, rupees 10,000 per person. Special discount for early birds. Contact Sita Travels KD2 Pitampura New Delhi, then we will be giving our phone number. So early birds means the person whosoever comes first will get the special discount from the hotels, from the travel site. Now let us see the next kind of classified advertisement, that is matrimonials. So essential details will be, begin with wanted or alliance or proposal invited. Then service, profession and income of that particular person, of the bride or the groom whose advertisement we are giving. Then qualities sought in partner means what are the qualities that the bride and the groom requires in his or her partner. Okay, now let us see mention groom or bride for which we are giving the advertisement. Then height, age, caste, religion, complexion, educational qualification must be mentioned. Then phone number, post box number and name of the newspaper will be given in it, means where they will be contact. Okay, let us see the example of it so that it will become more clear to you. Here let us see the question. Write an advertisement for the matrimonial column of a newspaper for a Bisa Agarwal girl working as sales officer in a leading export house. So what will be the heading for this? It is for the girl, so bridegroom wanted. Okay, so proposal invited for Bisa Agarwal girl, 25 years, 158 centimeter, working as a sales officer in leading export house, income in 6 figures per annum, parents having business at Mumbai and overseas, boys merit main consideration, professional with business background preferred, early and decent marriage, right to box number 7845, Times of India, Mumbai. So all these are the classified advertisements that we have done today and in the previous video. Now let us see another kind of advertisement, that is called the displayed advertisement, and the another name of displayed advertisement is commercial advertisement. Okay, these commercial advertisements are having lot of formalities. They are very attractive as there is the use of different colors in it, use of pictures in it, and quotations are also being written in it, so they are much more attractive than the classifieds one. Let us see these essential details of commercial advertisement. So name of the company, then institute, organizers, etc. Then detail regarding products, events, educational courses, etc. Then special offers or discount if any your company or institution is giving. Then address of the company or institute or organizer. These can be mentioned in that advertisement for which we are giving the commercial advertisement in the newspaper. So let us see the example of commercial advertisement, so that commercial advertisement will be more clear to you. So see here, watch and click offer, free, a click and shoot camera when you buy home theater. So it is the advertisement of a home theater. 31-inch flat screen, hi-fi sound system, competitive price, but hurry. This is a limited offer, open up to 30th March. Contact your nearest dealer today. So who is the dealer? Bright Vision Televisions. The promise of a happy home. So Bright Vision Television is the name of the dealer who is selling the home theater. So you all have seen that what are the other offers, means what is the discount and what are the free items that are being given along with the home theater. So this was the commercial advertisement. So I hope you all understood it. Thank you.